Hello guys, welcome back to Architectural World. So in today's episode, we're going to be learning how to import our files from Archi 2022 to Atlantis Studio. So this is one thing that a lot of subscribers have been asking me that how do we export our files from Archi 2022 to Atlantis? Now you can also render in ARCHICAD. Yeah, you can actually render this thing in ARCHICAD, but I can't really remember the year I did rendering in ARCHICAD. But you can render in ARCHICAD, but I don't do it. So today we're going to be exporting our ARCHICAD file down to our Atlantis Studio, so we can be able to do the final 3D modeling. So now, the first thing you need to do is that this is the ground floor layer. So you have to come to this 3D, which is all. This is what you want to export. You are not exporting this. This is what you want to export. So you come down to this place. You make sure that you are true with your design, you true with your layers. Then one thing you need to know, let me be plain. One thing you need to know right now is that you see this part that I just click. If the color, if your model, if the model of this place is what is also here, you cannot edit it in Atlantis. So before you export, make sure you are on the right track, because if you are editing in Atlantis, all the layouts that have same model is what you are editing. I'm going to explain that when we move to the next class. So now for you to export from Archi 2022 to Atlantis Studio, you come to File, then you come to Save As. Okay, so when you come to Save As, this is where I want to export to. Then you come to this Save Type. Automatically, the moment you click Save As, it gives you the option of Atlantis Studio direct. You can see this Atlantis Studio. So here you can export to various form. You can export to your SketchUp file, Google Earth, Reno. There are a lot of files for you to export. But what I'm exporting to today is Atlantis Studio 5. Okay, so I'll come here. It's already there. Then you can put your tag. You put your label, which is your file name. You can put the name that is suitable to you. Then you select the folder that you want to put it. You select it. Then you click save. It's showing already because I already have it on my system. So I'm just going to click save. So once you click yes, then you come to this place. You don't need to untick anything here. You see here is ARCHICAD export. This part is trying to tell you that this is what I'm moving from ARCHICAD down to Atlantis. You want me to change anything, or you want it to go like that? That's what this part is trying to tell you. So right here, you're not moving anything. You see perspective cameras is the same, which is the moment I load this file on Atlantis Studio, the way I position this elevation, like the side view, the way I position my camera, that is how it's going to display on Atlantis Studio. So it's telling me that light, sun, unique layouts. Then this is text option, which is wall, roof, slab, others. Anyone you untick from here is going to affect the design. So you don't need to tick anything here. You just come to export, and that is all. Now for you to load, you come down to your Atlantis Studio, depend on which of the file. Since I'm using Archi 2022, I'm going to be using Atlantis 2019 for this. So I'll click this Atlantis 2019, then I'll allow it to load. So once it come up, this is where you get everything done. So please, in case you're just coming across the channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out our amazing class. Please subscribe to our channel, share our video, drop a like, and also drop a comment on anything that is giving you stress. Just drop the comment. We're going to attend to it immediately. If you want us to do any tutorial on any of the topic that is stressing you, drop a comment. If you want us to create a floor plan together, drop it on the comment section. And I promise you, we're going to work it step by step till we achieve it. So while we are waiting for Atlantis Studio to load, you can still be going through our pages. We have a lot of videos there, varieties of videos that meets your tutorial, meets your training. We have a lot of varieties of videos. Like there are a lot of videos that you're gonna like, that you're gonna need. Okay, so here I come down to this part. You can see open window. I click open. Then once you click open, you locate the file. You locate the file where you store it. You locate your file. Then you click open. Then you allow it to load. This is how you export from Artlantis Studio down to this is how you export from ARCHICAD down to Artlantis Studio. You can see very well. You can see the perspective. Everything is here. It's loading. So I've just bring my file from 2022 Archi 2022 down to Atlantis 219 for final rendering and editing. Thank you guys. In case you're just coming across our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next class.